Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. This is West on Willow. If you've been around here for a while, you know that last year I bought my first place in Chicago. Then I kind of fell off the grid, but don't worry, we back and let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so here is the current state of my closet. I'll pop up on the screen here my plans for this closet, but today these two Nordly IKEA drawers got delivered, so I'm going to put those together. It's 2 drawers per box, so I'm going to have 4 drawers there for our, undergarments and things. So essentially what I'm trying to do is do half this closet is mine and half this closet is Cole's, so that in the guest room or in the office space, we can make that into a Murphy bed situation. Good morning. You will have to ignore my snotty nose, sick voice. I've been quite under the weather the last couple of days. So the closet hasn't come along very far. But here's my plan today. I need to get this down, which I kind of wiggled at the other day and it seemed like it's gonna be fairly easy. I've got to get the rest of these down, and then wherever I've pulled off those pieces, like for example over here, this drywall where I kind of messed it up, I need to mud the drywall and sand. My list for today is to get all this down, patch the places that I've messed up, and then sand that down. And then tomorrow, maybe I'll paint the shell of the closet and get started on the shelves. There we go. I feel like this is a trophy. Here's where we're at. This is the Nordly that I got from IKEA. Then on this side, I had to flip it because of that piece of wood that was out of the floor. I just figured I could flip the closet, that way I wouldn't have to fill that space. So we each have 2 foot of space over here for hanging clothes, then about 3 foot up top. So all this is even, except we have 1 sliver on the right for long dresses or coats or whatever. And then we'll have a shelf up there, obviously. But this is what we're looking at right now. I went ahead and sanded down this, guys, and then decided there were some spots that I wasn't super happy with. So now I went back in and added some spots. I'm not doing this spot because the drawers are going to be right here and it's going to cover it up. And honestly, nobody's going to be seeing this, so I don't need to cover this up, and it'd just be a waste of materials in my opinion. So I need to let this all dry, then I'll have to sand it again. But while I wait, I'm gonna go make some cuts, mostly just the top shelf, because I know exactly what that's gonna be. And then once this is dry, I'll sand it again and then I'll paint. Yay! The next couple of days consisted of a lot of cutting, fitting, and painting. I had already taken all of my measurements for the closet and had an idea of what size the shelves were going to be, but decided to cut as I went. In old homes like mine, you just never know what you're going to get, and this is a great example of one wall being bowed and therefore my piece not fitting perfectly. For my braces, I'm using 1x4s. The original closet was using 1x3s, which didn't allow for enough clearance for hangers. So this is definitely something to keep in mind when building your own closet. Good morning. It's a new day. Yesterday I ended honestly on like a terrible note. I started painting and then this strip right here that I had, which I tried to avoid patching over like it is right now, just kept showing up. So I just went ahead and, as you can see, put more joint compound on it. So now I'm getting ready to sand that and paint. Hopefully I get this closet wrapped up today. I do have people coming into town this weekend, which is why like I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible, because right now the rest of my house looks like an absolute horror story. And there's everywhere. A little tip, guys, I close my eyes and rub my hand over the area that I've been sanding. If I can't fill a seam with my eyes closed, then I know that my sanding is done and I'm good to go.
Let's just do it because it's easier.
Colby put it in the wrong hole. I wondered how you did that so fast. I was like, damn, he's strong.
I thought the same thing. Oh wait, I'm so strong.
Round two. Guys, I literally just learned how to do this 10 minutes ago. I was just telling our friends how I learned to do this 10 minutes ago.